Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are eagerly waiting for the mathematics classes. So finally the day came. From today onwards we are going to start the mathematics classes. So today I would like to give an introduction to the mathematics classes, the basics and everything. So before going to that, I would like to inform a few things to the students as well as the parents who will watch this video. So every teacher has his own style of teaching. Every teacher has some teachers will have a high standard method, and some teachers will have a low standard style of teaching. So as personally I came from the tuition methodology, that means I started my career with the tuitions. So my style of teaching will be based on the average and a below average student. That means the students who does not have a proper basic knowledge, and the students who does not have a basic grip on the concept. So basing on the students, my teaching style will be there. So why I am informing you with the prior, because while I am teaching some problems or when I am solving the problems, so I will go down to the basics also, because that type of basics is required for a student who has to get a good knowledge on the problem or on the question or the sum what he is doing. So that might be looks to be very simple for a top class students, but as a teacher my intention is to understand to all the students in the class, especially the average and below average students. So actually I am not here to categorize the students, but my intention is to understand the same sum to all the students in the class. So that's my teaching methodology, because I am from that background only. So I started my career with the tuitions. In a tuitions is different students from different schools, and a student who does not have a proper basic knowledge will come. So to understand that person, we need to interact the sum with the basics. So that's my style of teaching. So my humble request to all the students is that don't compare my teaching with any other one, because it does not match and it's not a good one. Now, getting back to the subject. So all the students will think that mathematics is a very tough subject. So do you feel, is it a tough subject? So if you feel, ignore that. Mathematics is not a tough subject. Mathematics is a very easy subject if you are very good in 4 pillars of mathematics. So you may get doubts, so what are the pillars? So pillars of mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the 4 pillars of a mathematics. So if you are very perfect, or if you are very thorough in this one, it's very easy. It's very easy. So my dear children, so my request is that today you just recall all the basics in these 4 categories. Recall. I am not informing you to learn, because you are not in a stage to learn now. So you are in a stage to recall. So basing on this effect, maximum of the students does not touch the books also, I hope. But before going to start the subject from tomorrow, so my suggestion to all the students, that you just recall all these 4 basics today. So what are these basics and what you have to recall? So that is, today I will give an assignment to all the students. So today's assignment is, you practice 5 sums in each of the concept. In addition, you practice 5 sums. In subtraction, you practice 5 sums, multiplication and divisions. So in multiplication, before you going to the multiplication, you just learn or recall all the multiplication tables. If you are perfect in multiplication tables, then it's very easy to do the multiplications. If you are very perfect in multiplications, then the divisions are very easy. So today's assignment to all the students is that practice 5 3-digit and 4-digit addition sums. 3-digit and 4-digit. Similarly, practice 3-digit and 4-digit subtraction sums. At least 5 sums. 5 sums are more than enough. And multiplication tables. Multiplications also. So before going to do the multiplications, you learn the multiplication tables. And you practice minimum 5 sums, a double-digit multiplications. Similarly, the divisions also. So in the divisions also you practice 5 double-digit division sums. So this is the assignment which I am giving to all the students. And this class is based for to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 students also. So all the mathematics students, you have to be perfect in all these 4 pillars. If you are very thorough in this, definitely each and every sum will be very easy. Okay, I hope all the students will do the assignment today, and from tomorrow onwards we are going to start the regular session. And before going to that, all the students, you must be ready with your maths textbook and maths notes and your rough notes. So rough notes is for first when I am teaching the classes, you have to write that in the rough notes. You have to understand the concept, and whatever the assignment I have given, you have to mention in the main notes. So these are the things where I'd like to inform before going to start the classes. So from tomorrow onwards, get ready for the regular classes. Thank you, and hope you all will do the assignment, and hope you will follow the instructions given by me, and hope you will support me. Thank you.